Cleaning means removal of visible soil, debris, microorganisms, and organic matter. Cleaning will not eliminate germs, but it will reduce their numbers by removing contaminated matter. Cleaning includes picking up any loose debris from the floor, sweeping the floor and emptying any accumulated soil into the garbage receptacle, emptying trash receptacles, replacing can liners, restocking toilet paper if necessary, and mopping the floors. When cleaning surfaces, choose an appropriate product for the surface. Carefully read the product label and adhere to the suggested PPE. Spray the cleaning solution until the surface is wet. If applicable, let the solution stand for the product's recommended contact or dwell time. Then, wipe down the treated surfaces, removing any contaminated matter. Using a preferred glass cleaner, spray mirrors, windows, or other glass. If available, wipe with a microfiber cloth. Paper towels can be used as an alternative to a microfiber cloth.